People think getting jacked is complicated, like you need a secret plan, a coach, a spreadsheet, and genetics from Olympus. But muscles are stupid. They don't understand motivation. They don't understand excuses. They understand only one thing: load. If a muscle feels tension, gets food, and you repeat this long enough, it grows. No mindset, no magic split, no best exercise, just stress, recovery, time. That's it. The rest is decoration. So why do most people train and stay the same? Because they confuse movement with load. They sweat. They're tired. Their watch says, good job. But muscles don't count calories. They count tension. If the weight feels the same every week, your body gets bored. No reason to grow. No reason to adapt. Progress doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing harder. Same exercises, same reps, just slightly heavier. Growth isn't dramatic. It's incremental. And that's why it works. Here's another reason people don't grow. They keep changing the program. New split, new exercises, new optimal science-based routine. It feels productive. It feels smart. But muscles hate surprises. They grow from repetition under load. If you change everything every 2 weeks, your body never adapts. No baseline, no overload, no growth. The best program isn't perfect. It's repeatable. Boring works. Consistency wins. And that's why simple routines build more muscle than smart ones. Here's the quiet killer of muscle growth: food. Most people think they eat enough. They really don't. They eat clean. They watch calories. They're not that hungry. But muscles don't grow on discipline. They grow on surplus. If you train hard and eat like you're dieting, your body makes a choice. Survival first. Muscle later. No calories. No building. No protein. No repair. You can't out-train hunger. You just stay small and tired. Here's another silent problem. People are afraid of heavy. They stop when it gets uncomfortable. Not dangerous, just uncomfortable. They want the pump, the burn, the sweat. But muscles don't grow from comfort. They grow from threat. If the last reps feel safe, your body feels safe. And safe bodies don't change. Growth starts right where control ends. Not reckless, just challenging. Here's another trap. People wait to start properly when life is calmer, when work slows down, when motivation shows up. But muscles don't grow on perfect timing. They grow on boring schedules. The body doesn't care why you missed a week. It only remembers the gap. Consistency beats intensity every time. 3 average workouts are better than 1 perfect one. If you only train when everything feels right, you barely train at all. Start messy. Show up tired. That's how progress actually looks. Here's the last mental trap. People expect muscle to show up fast. A week goes by, 2 weeks, nothing dramatic. So they assume it's not working. But muscle doesn't announce itself. It accumulates quietly. Strength goes first, then shape, then size. If you quit before the signal appears, you train just long enough to almost get results. Growth isn't slow, it's delayed. And most people leave right before it starts paying back. That's not failure. That's impatience. So here's the whole thing, simplified. Muscle growth isn't mysterious. It's mechanical. Load the muscle. Eat enough. Repeat long enough. That's the formula. Not motivation. Not perfect programs. Not hacks. Just tension, fuel, and time. If you lift a bit heavier, eat a bit more, and don't disappear for weeks, your body adapts quietly, reliably. You don't need to try harder. You need to stop interrupting the process. Do the boring things long enough. That's how people actually get jacked.